Hi, my name is Bolaji Olajide and I'm a software developer here at Andela. I'm a graduate of computer science from Jabo, which is a university in Nigeria. After graduation, I got a job as an IT administrator in a manufacturing firm. So before then, I used to build WordPress websites for people as a freelancer. And it was then that Seun reached out to me if I would be interested in programming for real. And that was how Andela came into the picture. The application process was different from regular companies in Nigeria, in that I wasn't made to interact with much HR personnel, but instead I had like an informal chat with the developers here, trying to understand where I'm coming from as a person and to know if I have what it takes to succeed at Andela. What stood out to me once I joined Andela was the community. The fact that I could easily walk up to anyone and talk to the person about the problems I was having. And it wasn't only technical problems. I could walk up to someone in the comms department to discuss how to speak publicly better, and the person would help me through. So I think the community is a very, very important part of Andela, and it's what I appreciate on joining Andela. Advice I would give to aspiring developers would be to, one, believe in yourself, and two, to always have this passion, because passion is something that I believe can get you places that like even what you have, what you know might not be able to get you. The fact that like you are willing to sacrifice time and other things to like know something and be good at something is going to inspire people to want to help you and also going to help you to become a fast learner at the end of the day.